Hey guys, I'm here with Serena today and we are currently 8 weeks out from her debut for the FMG shows. And we are training some legs today. Serena is at 12% body fat currently. We are going into the bikini and wellness division. This is her first comp, so we're gonna test the waters and see which category she really fits into. So today we're gonna be killing your legs a little bit. We're gonna start off with the hack squat, targeting the quads a bit more, and then we'll move on to the hip thrust. Cool, all right, let's go. Okay, so what has been the biggest challenge in prep so far?
Being comfortable being uncomfortable with bulking and then going straight to cutting. Yes. And you have a bit of a body dysmorphia because you see yourself so big and then so tiny. Yeah. So you have to adjust and also try not to compare yourself.
Yes.
Those are the two main things.
Yes, that's so true. That is so true. And kind of tell us a little bit about how you started, because when you first came in, like tell us how much you were eating, what you were doing.
When I first came, I basically thought skinny was it, and to eat less, that's how you maintained low fat and the scale weight. But as I was working with you, I realized the scale weight does not mean everything. And we've increased my food, we've created healthy habits, and we've actually become more skinnier, like being more leaner, more tones, more muscles, eating more. Yeah, it was good.
Yes, 100%.
Yeah.
100%. So Serena came in eating about like 800 calories. And when I got her started, I put her probably at like 1400, and she was freaking out in the beginning. But we built her up really well. What was your peak calories?
It was close to 5.
Yeah, so we built her up closer to 5,000 calories, which was crazy. Crazy from coming from 800, right? Yeah. So what is one piece of advice that you would give someone who is contemplating and thinking about prepping and doing a competition?
Just go for it. Just do it. I was always thinking, I want to do it, I want to do it. I had reservations about, as a female, losing like, you know, my boobs, making it smaller and have like fake boobs and it doesn't look nice. And then one day at night, I just was scrolling and just said, you know what, let's just do it. And then Michael reached back and here we are.
Here we are, yeah.
Okay. Just do it.
Yeah, I like it, I like it. What is the biggest takeaway that you've learnt throughout this prep?
Food is not your enemy. It's there to, you know, provide energy, provide you to grow muscles and help you recover. So don't limit your food just because you think eating less will make you lose weight. Yeah.
Yay, I'm so proud of you.
I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs.